What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Brandon or Dagger coming to you guys with a brand new video. This is a little awkward because I never record on my phone. I hope audio is good. I hope sound is good. Quality doesn't look too bad, but I know once I start editing it, I won't like it. But as you can tell by the video, we do have wheels for the SI. Before I get into that, I just want to say I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. I know I haven't been able to pump as much, but I can't show you. It's been a little rainy over here in California. If you guys don't know, California is like in the midst of like a big storm, so it's been raining here, but it is a little dried up today, but it is a little windy. So we do have wheels for the SI. I've actually had these wheels on the car for about maybe a week already, and I just been kind of lagging it because of the rain, and I haven't been able to film for you guys. But I'm gonna show you guys the wheels. These are the best fitment that I found to work for this car. These wheels are also gonna be temporary wheels. They're not gonna be the wheels that I'm gonna be rocking forever. They're just to get the wheels that were on here off because they were running spacers and they needed tires, and I just didn't want to run those. So I am running wheels on this. I hope you guys are excited to see it because this car is flying down here. Slow down. But yeah, we're going to be showing you guys the wheels. Like I said, these are not going to be 100% the wheels that I'm going to be rocking. These are just for now. So without further ado, let's go take a look. And before I go out there, let me know what wheels you guys think I got for the car. It's a wheel that's very, very, very basic, but it's also a wheel that I found to run a good size. So let's go take a look at it. And the wheels that I'm running are RPF ones. The specs on these wheels are 17x9 plus 35. And these are the best specs that I seem to have. So I am lowered on coilovers. Obviously the wheel's dirty. Like I said, I've been running it for a week. Haven't been able to wash it because it's been raining, but I am running RPF ones. Like I said, very, very basic wheel, but it's a wheel that I found to be very cheap, and it's still a good wheel. So like I said, these are 17x9 plus 35 with a 245/40/17 tire, a little bit of a meteor setup. The stance is good the way I like it. I do have to roll the rears though to make them not rub as much because it is rubbing a little bit right here, but it's not too bad. We did have to raise the car a little bit from where it was at, but it honestly looks really, really good. RPF one's super basic wheel. Jesus Christ, we're working on the paint. The paint's something we're gonna be working on, but don't mind that for now. But yeah, I hope the audio is good, by the way. These are a 17x9 plus 35 wheel. Like I said, just a very, very basic wheel that I have for this car. But I mean, they'll do the job for now. The tire side is something that I wanted. I did want something a little bit more aggressive, like a plus 22, but I couldn't run a plus 22 yet. I would need rear camera arms, and the fronts do have plates, but I'm gonna rock these for now. I'm gonna do with that. Like I said, very, very basic wheel, something that it's just gonna do for now. But I do want to get the paint done before I get my entire wheel. So the paint's definitely gonna go, because I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but this right here is a different color from this. Like this is more blue, this is black. So I do want to change the front end of this car. I think I kind of told you guys in the last video what I wanted to do, but I do want to change the front end. Don't want that bumper. I'm gonna run a different bumper, Type R headlights, special fenders. Like this thing's gonna be sick. So yeah, something that I want. I do want to do the Type R rear conversion kit on the rear as well. But all in all, the car does run pretty well. I mean, like I said, we did change the coilovers. The suspension's been pretty much all redone. And the car runs really, really smooth. Runs super good. When I first had it, it didn't run too well, so now it runs pretty good. But I think the first thing we're gonna tag is the motor, because obviously I do want to K24 swap it. So I have been looking into some motors. Some people are selling them for a decent price, so I'm gonna try to go ahead and get that. But yeah, that's what we're working towards next. Like I said, this motor originally has 228,000 on the original motor. So I don't think this car's ever been modified either, because it runs really, really smooth. The transmission's good. There's no grinds, no pops. So I don't have to worry about any of that. Trying to see how far I can push the K20 before it actually gives out, because I want to push the K20 as far as I can without trying to boost it. But also, like I said, it is a daily for me. So once we can do the motor part, I won't have to worry about it. And I do have something that's in the trunk that I'm not going to show you guys just yet. But this car, all in all, needs to clean in general, because this whole car is dirty. From the inside and out, it just isn't the best. But yeah, that's the original K20. You know, obviously I want to get an intake because this one has like a rip over here. I don't know if you guys can really see that. Yeah, you can see it. It's got a rip there. I mean, obviously, pretty much everything from the K24, or from this motor, we're gonna put in the K24. So I'm not really stressing about it too much. I'm just pretty much trying to get this thing to push as much power as it can before it blows up. I'm trying to see what I can do with it. I hopefully want to get about 250 to the wheel. Is that doable? I'm not too sure. But we'll go ahead and try it out. See some zip ties around there on the intake. That's no bueno. Zip tie gang. But I mean, everything else pretty much just runs smooth. I did do an oil change on it. It needed coolant, so we put coolant in it. But other than that, yeah, this thing's pretty much bone stock. So I can't wait till we start modding this thing and start going crazy with it. But for now, it's just been a daily until the weather can clear up a little bit, and then we can push some power out of this thing. But we're aiming for 250. That's the goal. 250 all motor on a K20, and then hopefully it can last for a little bit until we can get a K24 in here, and then try to aim for 500. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the wheel setup. I mean, like I said, I think it sits really good. I do want to lower the fronts maybe just a tad bit to where it kind of looks like the rears, but I do want to get everything rolled, and we're not going to be running those fenders, so I might just learn how to roll everything myself. I don't know, it's going to be a project. Like I said, this is a real project car. We bought this car, or I guess I traded my wheels for this car, to pretty much be a full project. I want to learn how to do a lot of stuff, from engine rebuilding or swapping to rolling fenders or sanding and painting and all that, because it's good to learn a lot of that stuff. So I'm interested in learning. The car just doesn't look all the best right now, but I can't wait till we get it going. But yeah, I'm pretty much not gonna drag the video up too long. You know, I just wanted to show you guys the wheels because it's been a minute since I've uploaded anything like looks wise, and I've been running these wheels for a little bit, so I wanted to go ahead and give you guys an update on those wheels, because they don't look too bad. But I can't wait till this thing gets a color where it looks nice and good, because obviously, like I said, all the clear coat's coming off. So I do want to sand it down. I was thinking about wrapping it instead of painting it first on stock body, just to kind of learn how to wrap, because I don't even know how to wrap either. So I think that's what I might do. I might wrap stock body, but paint the actual body that I want. So if you guys are interested in that, let me know. But this thing, it looks good. I'm excited. This is gonna be a fun build. I'm attacking power first, so I don't really care for the looks. I know everybody's gonna shit on me and say RPFs ones are basic, or your car looks like shit. No, hell no. I'm trying to push power out of this first, and then we'll go ahead and get it looking right. But yeah, sorry for the wind noise if it's too loud, but I'm excited for what's to come for this car. So I hope you guys are as well. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for the video. Let me know what you guys think about the wheels. Let me know what wheels I should get in the future. I know what wheels I'm gonna get. If you know, you know. If you don't know, then you just don't know. I hope you guys are ready for it. If you guys are brand new here, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. This car needs a clean, bro. Like, look, everything is so dirty. Some of it may be my fault, but I mean, just in general, like, it's just dirty. Ah! And I need to do door hinges because these don't close right. But I hope you guys are excited for what's to come. We have a lot of bangers and ideas like coming for this car. So if you guys are brand new here, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys have not already. I'll see you guys in the next video. Dab, peace.